This week behind the yellow door, I cannot believe that I am already pulling this Christmas stuff out. I will tell you, it is not by choice. We're actually getting ready today for a photo shoot here at my house. So I have had to go out and clip some greens. I have had to pull out some Christmas china. Had to pull out my favorite nutcrackers back there that I've collected for years. And so follow along today and watch what happens behind the scenes at this fun photo shoot done from one of our local magazines here on St. Simons.